Hi there, everybody. It's another gloomy Friday. I'm getting so sick and tired of them. But spring is on the way. It looks like maybe next week we're going to have some moderated temperatures. We're all keeping our fingers crossed. So I just thought I'd run over a couple of things that we're seeing at the plant desk. We've had a lot of people calling in or stopping in with pictures of their magnolias with little lumpy, crusty things along the stems. And that is an insect disease called Magnolia scale. It's a pretty tenacious disease, or not disease, a pretty tenacious critter, because it gets in there and sort of pierces and sucks the sap out of the new growth, and it's completely protected by that little waxy cap that's on there. So there are a couple of ways, actually 3 things you should be doing to combat Magnolia scale, and one of them is coming up. And the first one is to drench your tree with horticultural oil. So what this does is it acts as sort of a suppressant, and it sort of covers those scales and the new buds, and will keep it will help to sort of suffocate some of those scales. And then we will talk to you later, like in June, you're going to want to apply like 8 for the crawlers, and then you're also going to want to put down one more thing at the end of the summer. So if you've got Magnolia scale, I would certainly do the pre-treating with the hort oil. If you have a Magnolia and you don't have Magnolia scale yet, this is a good preventative. I would definitely use this. We were super excited a couple of weeks ago because it seemed like the hummingbirds were getting closer and closer. They were in southern Illinois, and the weather has sort of stopped them about 40 miles south of Chicago. And they haven't moved from there for a few days. So it's probably good, because honestly, the weather here is terrible, and what will we do? We don't have anything to feed them, and it's freezing every night. So stay down in Illinois, little hummingbirds, but watch the weather, because it's going to get warm here soon, and we're really excited to see you and your friends, the Baltimore Orioles. We've got a super cool event coming up next week. It is our way to celebrate Earth Day. We've got some vendors both in our furniture department and also in the rest of the store, and they are experts in how their companies use sustainable practices in either the manufacture of their goods, or they have really good ideas on how you can have a greener lawn. Maybe you want a flowering lawn, or maybe you want to talk to somebody about composting. So we'll have all kinds of experts in the store. You can stop in that Saturday, April 23rd, from 11 until 2, in store, no charge, open to the public. We're going to have maybe some little games and treats for the kids. It's going to be a really fun afternoon. And finally, I just want to remind you all that we are going to be closed on Sunday so that our employees can spend Easter with their families. So happy Easter from all of us here at the Bruce Company to all of our employees, their friends and families, and all of our customers' friends and families. Happy Easter, everybody.